Yo, yo. So basically, I'm in these longs on CL. The reason I'm recording now is because I want to do a trade breakdown of this trade, but I need to jump out. So I just want to prove to you that I'm in this trade. I'm break even now. My TP is up here, just at this 57.26 levels. So when I come back, hopefully it hits TP, and then we'll jump down into a trade breakdown. So as we can see, this trade smashed. Right, smashed, take profit. And now let's go into the charts. Well, not right now because it is almost midnight. I want to go to bed. But tomorrow, I'm going to jump on the charts and I'm going to explain to you the exact trade I took. I just wanted to show you I had the entry, I had the exit. I went out, I came back, smashed, take profit. This is live trading every day, baby. And if we, so yeah, apologies. It's actually been a couple days. Let me move me, oh, move that. Let me move this handsome fella to the side and let's get into it. So CL longs, why did I take these longs? Pretty simple. So first, trade with the trend, right? Repeat after me, trade with the trend. What is the trend? Let's zoom out a bit, not be too focused. We have a low, boom, we close below the low. We have a high, so we did low, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, lower low. So we were trading between this high and this low. What do I notice? So I like to trade, from trading New York session, I like to trade at 10 a.m. just avoid the first 30 minutes. Boom, we closed above this high. So now, am I bullish or am I bearish? Well, we were bearish and now we're bullish. So my bias going into the day is longs, as simple as that. All this internal structure here now is just that internal structure. I don't want to be caught up too much when looking at this. So now I know that my external structure, okay, is boom to boom. This is my price leg. And my price leg is between this low and this high. And my whole job, my whole plan is to just, I'm never guessing reversals. I'm trading with the trend. I'm trying to catch a higher low, higher high. So how can I catch this higher low here? So the first and most simple thing I'm going to do is just draw my leg fib. And ideally I want it into anywhere below 50%, just for high probability. And look, it's below 50%. So perfect. Now we can start looking at lows within here that we can sweep, because price isn't just going to move up by itself. It needs to sweep something and then move up. So we can start looking at lows that's going to sweep before moving up. So we had this low. This is the first touch. We left the zone, we tapped in, and we made the high high. So this is a main inducement. We only want to enter definitely after this has been swept. Now, if we look at some other sweeps on the way, we swept out with these people. We sweep out with these people. Right, and we have swept out even all of these people now as well. So to me, we swept enough liquidity. I'm happy with that. I want a point of interest. Do we have an area of demand we can bounce from? When I look at this internal structure, this was the last bearish move, right, before we started getting this big bullish move up. So this is my origin. This is my area of demand. So we sweep all this liquidity. We come into the discount. We're tapping this origin. It makes sense for price to bounce it. And it's reacting from 50%, which is perfect. Now, I want to see some sort of reaction. I don't just want to randomly buy, randomly sell. I need something. I don't really have structure here, because if I had structure, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, I could use this as my entry, but we don't have that. We just have one big aggressive leg down. So context, you have to use context when it comes to trading. I can see that we have one, two bearish fair value gaps, and we inverse both of them. So that's sweet. Now, I've said it 100 times. Where we are bouncing from, and if it makes sense, is 10 times more important than the confirmation. So because we are bouncing from 50% of this origin, we're in discount, we swept all this liquidity, we are in an uptrend, I can be a bit more aggressive with this confirmation. I can take these two inversing as my entry. So once I saw the 5 minute took both of these fair value gaps, I was like, yeah, that's a sign to me that price wants to reverse. I don't want to enter all the way up here though, because my RR is a bit not the best. So we can see we actually left behind a very small a 1 minute area of demand here. So I was like, you know what? If we can pull back into here, that gives me a great RR and it's worth me taking the trade. So I did it like that, and I just targeted my final TP. I believe was so many of these guys. We play that out. We get tagged. If it didn't tag me in, it didn't tag me in again. It's just where I felt comfortable entering. I didn't want to enter any earlier than that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful move. And it continues up. And where are we expecting it to go? We are expecting it to take out this high, because now remember, high. So if we look at the black lines, that's our external structure. So we have high, low, high, low. I'm looking for the higher high. We play that out. Pretty sure it does take out the high. Boom. Jobs are uncool, but I'm happy with my money and calling it a day. But yeah, that is the trade review. So if you want to see daily trade reviews, I drop daily trade reviews like this every single day, and market breakdowns for my premium members, and also live stream my trade every single day. So you can chop up with me, ask any questions, see the trade I'm taking. That's all in my premium Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Apart from that, appreciate your time, appreciate any likes or subscribes. Catch you in the next video.